I'm still me. I'm still me. Yeah. Baby girl, you probably think that I changed. Baby girl, I'm still the same. Think that the fame got me. Baby girl, I'm still me. Still dude that you still love. I'm still me. I'm still me. No doubt, baby girl, whenever you need me. I'm still me. I'm still me. Look. Sick mind, ill times, walking through struggles. Most dudes working, others do hustle. But look, I dream of flying, sitting on clouds, wishing the stars. Sitting on that mind, saying hope the past don't leave me scars. To myself, meditate, hope for the best, I'll change my fate. Move along straight, baby girl, you know that I'ma be alright. So, I'm most loved, but even hated. But I give a fuck, I give a fuck. Still living, man, I guess I'm blessed with some luck. Shucks, you know that I'm moving diligent like a feather in the wind. And whatever I meant to be or not to be, asking questions, it leaves you in so many directions. But slowly keep you thinking, cause now niggas can't leave you where you are. I seen death and it ain't cool, I seen shit but it ain't real. Man, I feel like a fool. I just hope that you know you got one more chance to make it right again. I'm still me. I'm still me. I'm still me. I'm still me. You know. Baby girl, I'll never change. You know. Seems to be not fair, but girl, I'm glad that I was walking through the heaven stairs. Thinking to the Lord, I think I gave you my heart. That's word to me, no playing games, man. I'ma stay with you, and your name never be in vain. Strong, no loose and passion. Everywhere I go, evil aggression is trying to catch me. My brothers follow me where I go, and place you wanna be. Wanna see reality hurts, but fuck it, bro, move on. Now we succeed. Now we have to keep going, cause time is moving on its own speed. I know it's hard to process, but I give it no type of no things. People play with something like life. I'm still me. I'm still me. You know that I'm still me. I'm still me. I'm still me. Baby girl, you know that I'm still me. I'm still me. I'm still me. Yeah. Baby girl, I'll never change.